Good day, Sir Fabian. This is my reflection po sa PETA number 2. The first question is, what did you learn about the different welding techniques? Yung number 1 question po, ito po yung answer ko. I learned that different welding techniques such as arc, MIG, TIG, plasma, and gas welding each have a unique methods, tools, and purposes. Some are designed for speed and strength, while others focus on precision and clean finishes. Understanding their differences helps in choosing the right process for each type of materials and projects. Sir, ito po yung reflection answers ko po. Nasa notes po yan, hindi po siya ChatGPT. Next question po is, have you seen or used these techniques in everyday life or work? How does your new knowledge affect your view? Number 2, I have seen some of these techniques in everyday life, such as in our field, sa aviation po, sa school, sa workshops, and even sa automotives po, automotive repairs and metal fabrication po. After learning more about them, I now understand the skills and safety required behind each weld. This knowledge makes me appreciate how important proper welding techniques are in building strong and reliable structures or components. Sa number 3 naman po, how has your understanding of safety evolved, and what steps will you take to prioritize safety in future projects? Sa number 3 naman po, number 3, my understanding of safety has improved a lot. I now realize that welding involves high temperature, gases, and electrical risks. I will always prioritize safety by wearing the correct protective gear, checking equipments for leaks, and keeping the workspace clean, and following proper setup and shutdown procedures before and after welding. Next naman po, and lastly, number 4, what part of aviation do you think these types of techniques are applicable? Sir, number 4. The welding techniques are widely applicable in aviation, especially in aircraft manufacturing and maintenance. They are used to join engine parts, fuel lines, landing gear, and structural frames. Precise and high quality welding ensures that the aircraft's strength precise and high quality welding ensures the aircraft's strength and performance and overall flight safety. That's all po, Sir Fabian. Thank you po.